Hey, what's up? It's your boy Wes here with Gorilla Investments. I had to give you guys my new updated look. What's going down, everybody? Wow, what a day. It didn't go as expected as in terms of price action. I did expect a quick rise. That's not a big deal. Price action is not a huge play here. What's going on is continued manipulation, but I think that's coming to a grinding halt as shorts are really running out of space. And we've ended today at $9.28, and in the aftermarket, we were at about $9.20. I'm actually surprised the way it went earlier. It wasn't driven down further. However, the short borrow fee is now at 21 to 22%. That's an insane percentage. And in this channel, what we like to do is we like to go over the psychology of trading just as much as we like to go over the TA. And we are at a psychological breaking point, which I think is now weighing in the favor of us, the gorillas, the retail investors. And the pressure is now really starting to affect the hedge funds. And the media is starting to leak out things with regards to the hedge funds, really working hard to try to figure out how they're going to try to crawl out of this void, this pit, this sarlacc pit, for lack of better words, of short debt that is just going to possibly bankrupt and change the shift of power in terms of wealth transfer that we've never seen. Now, let's look at fundamentals. I see a lot of people that hate on AMC and say it's fundamentally just not going to work. If you're a fundamental person and you do not think that this stock can go to $20, you're just not paying attention. We have an increase in the capacity of theaters from 25 to 33%. That alone is a lot of revenue for the company. We also have vaccinations increasing in the masses. I live in a country where the vaccinations have not quite hit at the same level of the United States. However, as we have mass vaccination, that just leads to general comfort in the economy ticking up in general, from a perspective of things like tourism, entertainment. I saw an awesome video a few weeks ago on the Fidelity price prediction of AMC. They have AMC at maybe hitting $900, within the 3-month period, like naturally in terms of squeezing. And, I've been getting a lot of slack for saying don't sell at 1,000. I am going to join the clique. AMC 10 racks, AMC 10,000. I'm sorry for everybody people are liking my videos, but I was saying AMC, let's look at 1,000. People were like 10,000 or bust. The Apes are just like 10,000. Don't talk to me. And I love that. So if it's AMC 10K, cool. I'm sure in this video, then people will be like AMC 100K or bust. I'm with it. I love the energy. The catalyst upcoming here in a couple days. This is probably the most important piece of information. I've seen this on many sites, many YouTube sites. April 22nd, we have the DTCC ruling, in which I'll read it out actually. Brokers, family offices, and dealers must maintain enough funds as collateral for all shares being shorted. Otherwise, borrowed shares must be recalled. As you might know, they already liquidated their long positions due to margin calls, and I just don't think they have enough funds. So this is a huge catalyst. I think in a couple days' time, when this goes into effect, we could see this thing, I'm not going to say have its major short squeeze, but start ticking up. This is not financial advice, but in this $9 to $10 channel, I myself am accumulating my position and increasing my position. Today, I will admit I bought at $9.28. I saw a decrease all the way back down to $9.10, and ironically closed at $9.28. I'm just happily accumulating my shares. I won't disclose my position, but I'm getting really excited that we are inching towards the squeeze. Now, normally I'm a little bit more structured in my videos. I do want to talk about something that I thought was absolutely hilarious. I saw some some DD in which somebody had shown the buildings, the actual office places for Credit Suisse. They have a London office, and for Citadel Capital, a lot of people call it Citadel. They were up working till 3-4 a.m. Now, a lot of the fun is like there's janitors there. No, they were up at all hours of the night trying to figure out how they can avoid absolute corruption to their businesses. I just, you can't tell me there's a janitor on every floor at that hour of the day. This is crazy. This is absolutely nuts. What is brewing behind the scenes is a whole cauldron of just devastation for some and possibly dream making for others. Now, this is the stock market, is highly volatile. I'm not going to try to get your hopes up or make any guarantees. But as a business person, you'll see what I do at the end of this video. As a business person with, I would like to say, some success, I will say that this is a very special opportunity. Media, I talk about psychology in this channel. Media continues to try to drive this down. Here are some of the headlines. Forbes, saving investors from meme stocks. AMC CEO, share dilution to save the company. Another thing I read, Motley Fool. These guys have to be the worst, Motley Fool. Every day they have a FUD article. And what they want to do at something like Motley Fool is have you click on their article for clickbait, look at a stock that they're invested in, lure you into their portfolio management system so that you start paying them on a residual basis. That is what we like to call shill. Do not buy into the media. The media will try to get you off of everything that is right and into everything that is wrong. Trust me, I'm old enough to know that. Another one, AMC suffers, AMC and tech and memes suffer at the same time. Okay, pal, I get it. But you know what I think is happening? I think that we're seeing a huge crash in the Dow and the NASDAQ because these funds are going to have to pull from their blue chip portfolios to cover these short positions. Bitcoin, huge rapid flash crash. Why? I want to say that some of these people are heavily invested in Bitcoin and are starting to take profits in order to cover what's going to happen here. What are you invested in? AMC, GME, Nokia, BlackBerry. These are the, there's a whole list of squeeze stocks. This is AMC focused, but I don't think AMC is alone in this. Another thing that was really crazy this week, RBC, for you Americans, RBC is a bank, Royal Bank of Canada, that is as big as JP Morgan. It's as big as Bank of America. It is like the main bank in Canada. And they dropped over, I don't know, huge amount. They were at $95, then they were $33 in the after hours. Citadel has a huge investment in RBC and they dropped almost all of their shit. They dropped almost all of their stock and sold. Why would they do that? You got to ask yourself, why are they doing things like this? You've got to ask yourself, why did Bitcoin flash crash? You have to think about it. It's not just people like you and I with these amounts of shares and stuff causing these waves. These are whales. Now, the whales that are on our side, let's talk about this. I saw that Trades released that Vanguard has over 34 million shares. 34 million shares of AMC Vanguard has. That is a whale gorilla affiliate. And like I said in my last video, gorillas riding on whales. That's my NFT. Do not bite it or copy it. I only want you to watch one piece of information that I link here below, and that is Jackson Hunter's video. He did an interview with a man named Houston Wade, who is basically an astronomer and physics professor somewhere down there in the South. And this guy talks about the math behind the squeeze, and it really will bring some confidence to you. Plus, Jackson Hunter is an awesome YouTuber for AMC-based stuff, both TA and for just the energy around the stock. Yes. After this, I just want to give you a quick little video of what I do for a living, maybe some motivation there. If you guys have any comments on the channel, I am going to be bringing this channel towards the computer format so I can do some screen share soon. I'm tired of doing it out of my car. Let's get this channel to 1,000 subs. It's AMC and it's going to the mother moon. I swear I'm going to keep increasing my position this week. My prediction and not my actual professional opinion is that we're going to be going on Friday to probably a $12 price point. Don't hold me to that. I think that's what could happen. Once again, much love. It's Wes here, Gorilla Investments. Make sure to subscribe to the channel. You're going to love what I do here. Thank you. Bye. Hey everybody, I actually decided to do a video on AMC tomorrow as well, in which I'll show you what I do for a living. It'll be a bit more dynamic and entertaining than what I have currently. Thank you so much for subscribing to the channel. I just wanted to include that as well at the tail end of this AMC video. For those people who are not solely invested in AMC, I will be bringing other stocks and cryptocurrencies as well to the table. AMC is just so popping right now, and not just for the metric, but for the excitement and the overall shift in power that this is going to bring. That's what we're focusing on. Thank you so much. Bye.